Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Housecall Pro. We are going to talk about what it actually is. I'll tell you more about Housecall Pro, and also we are going to check up the pricing so you exactly know how much is it worth. So Housecall Pro is an intuitive application helping people to easily run their home service business. The platform helps users enhance their scheduling and dispatching services beside bringing down paperwork. It is an appropriate portal for variable businesses like landscaping and lawn, electrical, plumbing, ventilation, and air conditioning. On Housecall Pro, a support team is available on the phone and in the app chat to help users with any work-related problem. There is also a group of more than 10,000 professionals on Facebook that help each other to deliver jobs efficiently. The software hosts a variety of useful features like on my way text, live map, GPS, follow-up marketing, online reviews, etc., enabling seamless businesses. The inbuilt private notes feature helps users monitor important messages left by clients about a particular task and fulfill them accordingly. Housecall Pro is compatible with major payment model assuring seamless businesses. When we check up the pricing, we also have to say that they are made for all types of businesses, small, medium, large, also the freelancers, and you can run it in your web browser or your mobile phone. If you have Android or iOS, it doesn't actually matter, and they are providing 24/7 support, so that's really great of them. They are based in US, in San Diego, California, and they are offering 3 plans. Also free trial, and you can decide if you want to go annually or subscribe and be billed annually or monthly. Right now they are offering 3 options. Which one? First basic, essentials, and then max. In basic you have only one user and you're paying $49 a month if you decide to commit. If not, it's $65. So it's basically like $16 more. Then essentials, all we have to do, we just have to look for the top G, which is integrations with Zapier. If you want to elaborate it or connect it with your existing CRMs, for example, you can easily do it in the most popular, as they proclaim, essentials. And then 1 to 100 and more, which is ultimate plan. You really need to get a quotation. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.